Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a garage find for you. It's an early 60s model Lincoln Continental. Look at that. Been sitting for a while. Somebody went to restore it, but they didn't have the opportunity. So they just let it sit up. I don't know exactly what year it is. I will find out for you. Used to be a convertible rag top, but something happened to all the rags. I don't know. It's all gone. It's all gone. Suicide rear doors. You can see, come on, light. Floor is all rotted out. Seats is missing. Some things still intact. Washer, heater, heat defrost. It's off. You pop the hood here. This must be lights. It's an old radio. Go around to the back. It's been in his garage, no telling how long, I don't know. Customer said they can't find the title. I would do something with it, but let's look under the hood. I got one of the seats laying over here on the side. All right, what we got here? Hard to read because it got too much dirt on it. Too much dirt on it for me. I can make out it says it takes 10W30, which I do not have. Nice 4-barrel carburetor. And can't make out what that says either. One of the wiper arms is missing. Cracked windshield. One thing I liked about the old days though, working on these older cars, the heater box was not behind the dash. Heater coil right here, evaporator coil right here. And blower in there somewhere. Kind of easy. Yeah, the master cylinder is missing. Master cylinder is missing. They have one of them heat stove pipes that when the air cleaner was on, it had like a long tube to go up through there, and then had a little flap in there that moves with a thermostatic valve to rechannel the cold, hot air in there for cold starts. I noticed motor used to run. I can't turn the fan now. Been sitting so long. I can turn it a little bit. It's been sitting so long. But a few years back, I think about 5 years back, I had it running. The choke is stuck. I can't move it a bit with my hand. It's all seized up. All this linkage is seized. Oh, there goes some movement. A little bit. Old time coil. Yep. If I had the money to put into it, I would. I don't know how I would fix the convertible top. You know, it's like a fabric that they just rotted away. And that for the sensor to know that it's closed, I guess. Look at the size of that trunk though. You could dump a lot of bodies with that, can't you? Continental. Garage find. What should I do with it? I don't know. We shall see. Surprisingly, the tires are still aired up. I thought they would be flat by now. I don't see the rest of the seats in this garage anywhere. All I see is that rear bench seat. Oh, I think all right. The front bench seats is under the rear, and I got some door panels and a quarter glass and a mirror, and that's about it. Some trim work down in there, I see. That's it. This would be a nice restoration project for somebody. This tire is off. Alright, that's what I found in the garage. And